Ever wonder why some emails sit unopened while others practically beg to be clicked? Here's the secret. The most opened emails feel personal, spark curiosity, and promise a clear benefit in just a few words. And if you get this wrong, it does not matter how good your offer is because no one will even see it. Around 70% of emails never get opened according to Campaign Monitor. That means most of your hard work goes straight to the trash. But the good news is there are patterns behind the ones that do get opened. Once you know them, you can use them every time. Step 1. Lead with curiosity. Emails that hint at a secret, a shortcut, or an answer people did not know they needed are the ones that get clicks. Instead of saying new offer today, try something like the 5-minute fix you will wish you knew last year. Step 2. Make it feel personal. People open emails that feel like they are written just for them. That means using words like you, keeping it short, and avoiding corporate buzzwords. Think of it as writing to one friend, not a list. Step 3. Promise a benefit. Your subject line is not about you. It is about what they gain by opening. Clarity beats cleverness every time. For example, get 3 hours back every week will always beat our new productivity tool. Now here's the problem. Writing subject lines and email copy that hit all 3 points takes time. And when you are busy running a business, it can feel impossible to do this every day. That is where AI Creator Max changes everything. It is packed with over 100 proven templates for emails, ads, and posts, all built on frameworks like Ada and PAS. You just answer a few simple questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster so you can focus on growing instead of staring at a blank screen. Here's a bonus tip. Always test 2 subject lines, even if they are tiny variations. Sometimes the difference between 20% opens and 40% opens is a single word. This video is part of a mini course playlist, so if you want to master copy that sells, binge the next one after this. If this helped, like this video, drop a comment with your biggest email struggle, and subscribe for more shortcuts. And if you want to start writing emails clients cannot ignore, try AI Creator Max free today at aicreatormax.com. Do it now so the next email you send actually gets opened.